Hello students, here I am Pallavi. Once again welcome all of you in today's session. Aim of the proposed experiment is to construct the phase diagram of phenol and water system and to determine the consolute temperature for the system. The apparatus which are needed for the experiment is boiling test tube, beaker, thermometer, stirrer and pipette. Now the solutions which are required for the experiment is phenol and distilled water. Now the theory. Mixture of two different liquids obtained in three ways. One as a completely soluble liquid, second as a partially soluble liquid and third as a completely immiscible liquid. Phenol and water forms partially miscible mixture. When the phenol and water shaken together, then it forms the heterogeneous system having the two layers. Upper layer is a saturated solution of water in phenol and the lower layer is a saturated solution of phenol in water. The mixture of phenol and water is heated slowly with constant stirring, then at particular temperature both the layers merge into each other and forms the homogeneous solution. This temperature is called as mutual solubility temperature. Mutual solubility temperature depends on the composition. Mixture of different composition have different mutual solubility temperature. The temperature above or below which the two components form the homogeneous solution in any proportion is called as critical solubility temperature. Critical solubility temperature depends on nature of the components. Mixtures having different composition have different mutual solubility temperature. The highest temperature above which two components are completely soluble in each other in any proportion is called as upper critical solubility temperature. Similarly, the lowest temperature above which the two components are completely soluble in each other in any proportion is called as lowest critical solubility temperature. Mutual solubility temperature is different for various composition. Hence, the graph can be plotted between mutual solubility temperature and composition of the component. This graph is known as mutual solubility curve. The different composition having the same mutual solubility temperature are called as conjugate mixture, and the line joining those composition is known as tie line. Now the procedure. Take 6 Borosil boiling test tube, clean them thoroughly and mark them as 1 to 6. Now prepare phenol water composition in the boiling test tube. For that, take 4 ml of the phenol in the first test tube and add 16 ml of distilled water into it. Similarly, in the second test tube, take 6 ml of the phenol and add 14 ml of distilled water into it. In the third test tube, take 8 ml of the phenol and add 12 ml of the distilled water into it. In the next test tube, take 10 ml of the phenol and add 10 ml of the distilled water into it. In the fifth test tube, take 12 ml of the phenol and add 8 ml of the distilled water into it. And similarly, in the last test tube, take 14 ml of the phenol and add 6 ml of the distilled water into it. Now, attach the rubber cork to any one of the test tube and clamp it to the titration stand vertically. And introduce the boiling test tube into 50 ml beaker containing the water without touching the bottom of the beaker. Ensure that the column of the phenol water completely get immersed in water just like as shown in the slide. Heat the water bath slowly with constant stirring of the test tube. During heating, initially the turbidity will occur at particular temperature and then the two layers merge into each other to give the clear solution. Record this temperature as a T1 and called as mutual solubility temperature. Remove the burner and allow the test tube to cool. After some time, at some temperature, turbidity reappears. This temperature is also recorded. Now repeat this whole process for test tube 2 to 6. Now the observations. This table shows the two different temperature when the turbidity disappears and turbidity reappears at a particular temperature after cooling, and from that the mutual solubility temperature for each system can be calculated. The graph is plotted between the percentage composition and mutual solubility temperature which is calculated in the observation table. Now the result. The upper critical solubility temperature of the phenol water system is found to be 70 degrees Celsius at 50% composition of the phenol. Thank you. Thank you so much.